Hi beautiful people, welcome back. In today's video I will be sharing with you how I cook this delicious native jollof rice, also known as palm oil rice. But before we get started, if today is your first day or first time of stopping by, a warm welcome to you. Please don't forget to follow this page, like, share and comment to be notified whenever I upload a new video. To my returning subscribers, a very big thank you. Let's get started. In a bowl, add 2.5 cups of rice, some salt, boiled water, stir to combine, then cover for about 10 minutes. Once that is done, drain out the water, wash it properly and set it aside. You can also parboil your rice. Next, in a clean dry pot, add the red palm oil, set on a medium heat. Once the oil is done heating up, add in your salt, then add in the chopped onions, fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. 2 minutes now, add in the blended fresh tomatoes, stir for some minutes. Then I went ahead and added in some blended pepper mix to combine. Fry until it reduces in quantity or cook till oil floats on top of the sauce. Once that is done, season with some oregano, black pepper, season cubes, curry powder, stir. Then add in your grounded or blended crayfish. Now add in the already washed or parboiled rice to the sauce and stir to combine. Now I introduce my fresh pepper. You can also add to your desired quantity. Now mix to combine. Then add in the meat stock. If you don't have meat stock, you can use water as well, okay? I added the dry shrimps. Now add in some water to the level of the content in the pots. At this point, you can check for salt. If required or needed, add in some salt to it. Now I will be topping it up with some smoked catfish. You can use any protein of your choice. So next, I added in my smoked mackerel fish. Once that is done, cover the pot and let it start cooking, or until the water dries up and well cooked. Do keep an eye on the rice. Add more water if required. Now let's check on the pots. Yay, you can see, the water is already dried up and the rice is done and soft. It is well cooked now. So the next is to introduce your vegetables. You can use any vegetable of your choice. So here I am using scent leaf. Now go ahead and mix until everything is well combined. Once that is done, cover the pot and let it simmer for like 1 to 2 minutes. Now let's check on the pot. Exactly 2 minutes now. Yay! Stir, it is ready. The type of aroma coming out from this kitchen, you can't resist this delicious meal, honestly. The scent leaf took it to another level. If you are a lover of scent leaf, you would definitely understand what I meant. Guys, this concoction rice, native rice, palm oil rice, tasted so super delicious and yummylicious. If you haven't tried out this recipe, I bet you on this. Try it out. You will love every bit of this amazing and yummylicious recipe. We have come to the end of today's video. Hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching and remain blessed. See you on my next video. Bye.